Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to how to start the work on your copy. First you have to cover your copy and then open the page. On first page write down the first term. On the second page, first you have to mention the date and day. On the first line you have to write date. Today is 16, month is June and year is 2020. On the right side write down the day. Today is Tuesday. In the middle you have to write CW. On the first line write down first term. From the second line every student write to the syllabus. Write down the syllabus. Okay. Be careful, you have to write down the date and day on the next page. Write down the syllabus in very nice writing and do the work neat and clean. I will send you the picture of the syllabus copy. Okay. Thank you, children.